Hello everyone. Welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of adding the report viewer control to your TypeScript React application, allowing you to visualize reports with reporting capabilities. If you want to view, interact, and export detailed reports without leaving your application, integrating the Bold Reports report viewer control into your TypeScript React app is the perfect solution. This integration enables you to display paginated, drill-down, and parameterized reports, transforming data into various visualizations such as charts, maps, and tables. Users can easily export these reports to multiple formats, including PDF, Excel, Word, and CSV, providing flexibility for sharing and offline access. Before creating a React application, ensure your development environment is set up with Node.js and NPM. I have already installed Node.js on my machine. Now, I need to install the Create React App package globally. So, I run this command to install it. This package provides a simple way to create a single-page React application with a ready-to-use build setup and no configuration required. Next, I will create a new React Typescript application by running this command, and naming the app React Report Viewer. The template TypeScript specifies that the project should be created with TypeScript language template. Then, I change the directory to the application root folder to install the necessary React classes and packages. Next, I install the type definitions for Create React class by running the commands. After that, install the Bold Reports React and jQuery packages by running these commands. I open this application in Visual Studio Code. Bold Reports needs window.jQuery object to render React components. So, I create a globals.ts file in the src folder. And import jQuery. Similarly, I import the React library for building user interfaces, the Create React class library for defining components with a legacy API, and the React DOM library for rendering those components in the DOM. Next, I declare the window object, and set its type any to disable strict type checking. By assigning these imports to global variables, I ensure that they are accessible throughout the application or in the browser console without needing to be imported repeatedly. Then, I open the index.tsx file and import the globals.ts file to it. Next, to import the Bold Report Viewer scripts and styles, I open the app.tsx file and add this code to disable ESLint rules for this file. Then, I add the Report Viewer scripts and styles. I declare the Bold Report Viewer component variable and set its type to any. If you encounter the Bold Report Viewer component is not defined error when running the application, it will resolve it. Next, I define the viewer style variable that stores the height and width. Then, remove the existing code within the app function. Create a div element to serve as the container for the Bold Report Viewer on the web page. And assign the viewer style object to define its height and width. Inside this div, I add the Bold Report Viewer component tag to render the report viewer. In this tag, I include the ID attribute and assign the value report viewer container, which specifies a unique identifier for the HTML element. Finally, I will initialize the Web API service in the application. I create the report service URL and report path API parameters with their respective values. The report service URL, set to localhost, indicates that the service runs locally on the same machine as the application. The API/report viewer path is the API endpoint for the report viewer service. I have included a link to a video about using the ASP.NET Core Web API reporting service in this video's description. Now, everything is ready to run the application. I will execute this command. And the URL is generated. I copy the URL, load it into the browser. As you can see, the sales order details report is rendered. In this video, I have shown you how to add the report viewer control to a TypeScript React application. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.